What's the meaning of abstraction? Abstraction. 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 Abstraction is the process of representing essential features of something without including all the details. In computer science, abstraction is used to create reusable and understandable code. Abstraction is also used in art, music, and literature to create new and interesting forms. Briefly, abstraction is the process of representing something in a general or simplified way. It is used in computer science, art, music, and literature to create new and interesting forms.